15 Ways to Win People Over. Everyone has encountered people who were somewhat horrible to be around, and we all don't want to be those people, right? Everyone rolls their eyes at them, and they're the ones no one wants to talk to for very long. However, there are certain ways to portray yourself that will make you appealing to others regardless of the social context. While we won't dispute with those who claim all you need to do is to be yourself, we do think there are certainly more subtly effective moves you can do to win people around. Hello there, this is the Financial Fortune, and in this video, we are going to talk about the 15 ways on how to win people over. Please don't forget to leave a like, click subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell whenever we release new videos. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Maintain a close ear. People who listen to our problems tend to like us more. It goes beyond simply refusing to check your phone while out to dinner with friends. It also means taking the time to listen to what others have to say. You can show that you're paying attention to what the other person is saying by using your body language, turning your face toward them, adopting their posture, making lots of eye contact, and verbal affirmations. Number 2. Compliment them. Inform someone you like them. They might even begin to warm up to you. Genuine praise could be the thing that someone remembers most about you, and it will feel great to know that you helped someone feel good about themselves. Praises shouldn't be inflated or outright dishonest in order to be sincere. It can appear like you're trying to be more sympathetic than you actually are if you do this. Think about how you act when someone compliments you on something you did or wore. A flattering comment from someone can strengthen your relationship with them, make you feel special, and keep you reflecting on it the rest of the day. Number 3. Identify them by name. We are usually great at recognizing faces, but names are another story. Many people find it challenging to recall someone's name right away, but even though it may be challenging, making the effort to remember someone's name will make them feel valued and respected. The trick to doing this is to shake their hand, say pleasant to meet you, and repeat their name as soon as they give their name to you. It will be easier for you to remember if you bear in mind how important and endearing a person's name is to them. They enjoy hearing it spoken by you. Number 4. Avoid being bossy. People unconsciously loathe being given directions and detest being told what to do. Managers will come into conflict because how can they accomplish anything without giving orders to others? You can gently remind the person or subtly hint that a task needs to be completed in place of becoming aggressive. You'll be able to connect with people more effortlessly if you relate to them without imposing false hierarchies or controlling them. Number 5. Keep a low profile. Many people despise know-it-alls because they believe they are experts in everything. People respect those who are unafraid to ask for help when they acknowledge they could use some direction or advice. You shouldn't shove your business right in people's faces if you want their respect. It's not necessary for everyone in the room to be aware when you arrive. Most people don't like snobby people who believe they are always right and that everyone else should just listen to them. Number 6. Be inviting. If you set up barriers between yourself and others, it will be tough for others to like you or even get to know you. One needs to be easygoing and relaxed in facial expressions and whole body posture in order to truly radiate warmth. If you are tense and locked off, it will be clear to others and most of them will just withdraw. Being warm makes you approachable, energetic, and passionate. A nice person does not have any assumptions about them. Even if you don't agree with all of their opinions, you can learn to respect them and make others feel comfortable around you. Number 7. Be trustworthy and sincere. Show your capacity to keep a secret to establish your dependability. Don't go blabbing about it to everyone you know if the person you're trying to impress can see something in you. Trust-based relationships entail more than just maintaining confidence. By knowing that you will always be there for them and take part in their planned activities, you can help this person have faith in your trustworthiness. Building trust requires time and effort, rarely happens instantly, and can take a while. However, people will like you if they see you to be trustworthy and sincere. Speaking of sincerity, we need your sincere comments about this video. What can you say about this video so far? Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, then comment down below with what we can improve. We really value your sincerity. Alright, let's continue. Number 8. Smile sincerely. In our hearts, we're still incredibly social beings, and facial expressions can make or break a relationship. This is true even if we live in a digital age when technology is increasingly misused in place of personal connection. Humans use social interaction as a form of feedback based on both our conscious and unconscious choices regarding the responses of others around us. A sincere smile spreads like wildfire, and if your positive approach brightens someone else's day, they may grow to appreciate you even more. Number 9. Friendships shouldn't be forced. We should avoid coming out as needy for their approval, even if being kind and nice to those who care about us is good. When you try too hard, you could overwhelm the other person and come across as needy. Do your best, but be aware of when to give others room. You shouldn't treat someone with excessive attachment by giving them gifts, paying them frequent visits, or communicating with them via phone or text message too often. If anything, these actions can make them feel to be more distant from you. Number 10. Genuinely concern yourself with other people's safety. By caring about other people, you unconsciously take on some of their issues and divert some of their focus. Even though a brief phone call to check in on them every few days may seem like a small gesture to you, the receiver may regard it as much more. Nowadays, it's difficult to find people that truly care about others. To be compassionate, you must temporarily put other people's needs ahead of your own. It requires effort. Number 11. Be a little mysterious. Giving someone you're getting to know a little background about yourself is a nice idea. In the end, it's how people will know about you. On the other hand, you shouldn't tell them everything about you right away. One explanation is that doing so might result in the other person experiencing a lot of stress. You want to make the other person interested in you and want to know more. You'll have more opportunities to talk with them and become friends later on if you maintain a little bit of mystery about your persona and don't reveal every aspect of your life right away. Number 12. Continually pursue your passions. Even if others don't share your hobbies, if you are enthusiastic about what you do, you will discover individuals who like and support you. Your eagerness may influence people to approach you more closely as a result of the energy you emit. Number 13. Have a good sense of humor. There are those people you occasionally run into whom you haven't seen in a while but who instantly seem like old friends. You would easily laugh with these people while you catch up on many things. When they're able to laugh, most people feel better at ease. One of the aspects of this is the capacity of self-humor. You could come across as tight and rigid if you take life and yourself too seriously. Number 14. Be confident. Being confident makes you more appealing to others. Those who project confidence tend to win the admiration of those around them because so many people suffer from poor self-esteem. In an effort to imitate some of their dynamic nature, they're interested in learning about their way of life. No one can dispute the fact that having a fair amount of confidence is a positive quality. Overconfidence can be just as appealing as insecurity in the eyes of people. Start by being humble and appreciating your skills without being too arrogant, then watch as people try to approach you. Number 15. Practice loving yourself. You'll have a better chance of making people like you if you truly love yourself. Having that level of confidence will come over, and it might just be what attracts others to you. Although it's normal to be self-critical or aware of one's flaws, doing so excessively could alienate other people. It's not a good idea to discourage them with a lot of negative reinforcement. At the end of the day, you are aware that it is challenging to explain why you have such a strong connection with a particular person. Maybe it's their laid-back demeanor, their sharp mind, or just their contagious smile that makes them so endearing. When you first meet someone, it might be challenging to start a conversation. What do you say? How do you guarantee a good first impression? Is there a trick to keeping conversations? People differ in their responses to situations and are distinct. Being a better person and friend is what you should prioritize, and people will like you for who you are as a result. These are the 15 ways to make you win people over. If you find this video interesting, you might want to check out this video about how you can develop unbreakable self-control, or check out our playlist about self-improvement. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now. This is the Financial Fortune, and thank you for watching.